gardener and it's spring. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I've been waiting such a long time. It was a long winter, but here we are in spring. I'm in my dome. Hopefully it's not too echoey for you. And I'm about to do something really exciting. I'm about to sow all my seeds. There are loads of them, but they form the basis of everything that's going into my garden, so there has to be loads of them. And I can hardly wait. I did sow some seeds earlier, the ones that benefit from being on a heat pad in the warmth of the house. My peppers, eggplants, and a few other bits and bobs. So they're already over there in the dome, almost ready to be transplanted. So they're doing really well. So hopefully these will be ready to be transplanted soon too. My goodness me, spring. Wow. So I best get on and get these done. Okay, we're in the dome now, so it might be a bit echoey. I have a good quality seed raising mix that has everything the seeds will need to get started. And I'm just going to fill this tray. So we'll be back in a minute. It's good to firm the soil down, and a good way to do that is with another seed tray. Right, there we go. Okay, the first thing I think I'm going to sow are the tomatoes. I've got all my labels already done. This is just chopped up milk bottle. So, oh my gosh, maybe I should have sorted them out. Okay, so I'm going to find all my tomatoes. Okay, so I found all my tomatoes. Now the key is to grow them in alphabetical order. So if anything untoward happens to the labels in the seed tray, at least you have a vague idea of what's going on. So these are all the same as last year because I didn't get to try most of them because I got the dreaded potato tomato facillid and it just killed all my plants. So this year I'm hoping for a bountiful harvest and I will have my eye out for that nasty bug. Right, we'll start with artesian blush. Now my thing that I normally do is, okay, so the thing that I normally do is I grow one seed for the one I want, one for a spare, just in case something goes wrong with that, and then a backup of each one so that I've got it covered. So I normally end up with about 4 tomatoes all going well of each seedling, then I only need to pick the best one and then give the rest away. So then I've just realised this is a 6 tray, so I'm going to need extra labels, which is going to be fun. Okay, so here we go. Let's sort out these labels. Oh, big comes before that. Okay, I'm gonna need another tray because there's not enough room, but I am growing tomatoes from A to Z. I've got artesian blush, big beef, black chrome, brandy, wine yellow, Cherokee purple, chocolate sprinkles, green zebra, honeybee, Linda's lemony, which is seeds I got left to me by a dear friend who died, well, a family friend who died of cancer, so that's nice to grow that to remember her by. Orange banana, oxacan, which is one of my absolute favourites, it's delicious. Roma, San Marzano, sweet bite, sweet valentine, tangella, tomato, tula, yellow pear, and zapotek. So A to Z, Asian blush through to zapotek. Right, so let's put those to the side and let's get started. Right, now I've got to find the seeds. Okay, so my favourite seed sowing tool is pencil, because you just use it to make a little hole in the seed tray, and then pop the seeds in. So tempting to sow more than you need. How many have I done? Oh, there is. Because there's so many seeds. But I have a plan and I'm going to stick to it. Okay. And then, well, these are seeds from last year. I normally write the date that I opened the packet so I know how long they can last. And then you just get the pencil and you just fill it over. So it just works well. So there they are, the first ones firmed in, done. Just another million seeds to go. So I'll just crack on with this and I'll see you soon. Okay, so that's one seed tray down. One. A bazillion more to go. Oh my gosh, and it's so hot in here. Oh my gosh, the boffin said it was supposed to rain and be freezing cold, and it's not freezing cold and it's not raining. I need to put a thermometer in here. I really need to know how hot it is because I am overheating. Right, one down, bazillion to go. Right, and all I need to do now is water them. And that is the vegetable seedlings done. I've run out of seed raising mix and daylight and energy, and they're just flowers that are left. So I can do them another day. I'll still do them, there's a mountain load of them, but I want to just get the vegetables done first because, well, the vegetables are the things we eat. So that's my first plan and I am so stoked to have them in. It's taken such a long time. Now you may be wondering where I'm sitting because this is my really cool chair that I picked up from a secondhand store for $35. Yay! And it is in my shed. It is marvelous. Let me just show you. How cool. So I've done all the painting. It's a pain in the bottom to paint all the, get in there. So yeah, painting looks easy when you watch it on TV, but it's not easy and I don't like it. But I've done it all and this is my new office and it's where I come to work in the garden every day. I'm so blessed. It's amazing. So I have a home office, or a garden office, and it's really cool. So things are moving along. So the season has just started and there's so much more to do and see in the next 6 months of growing season. So come again soon. It's going to be a fabulous season. Season number 2 in my new garden. So thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'm just going to sit here and die quietly.